In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down again and tap on Dual Messenger. Now click on this switcher next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. Hit Install in the pop-up. And if you never cloned any app before, hit Confirm in Disclaimer 1. To use a separate contact list, use this switcher at the top. If you don't want to do it now, hit Next at the bottom and tap on OK. So now, when I go back to check my app, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. In order to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on the No Blue switcher next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!